So it's Saturday morning. I'm gonna go do a real estate shoot. I figured I'd bring you along with me. I'm trying to find the lesson here, but I figured just follow along. I'll set the tripod down so you can take a look at, just the way I set up shots, and I'll also go over the kind of shots that I like to execute when it comes to drones for the real estate. We're also gonna go inside with the gimbal and get some interior shots. This is a $4 million build, so I'm really excited to shoot this. It's the man, the myth, the legend who I'll be shooting with today.
I'll show you what Home Depot's like going to every day.
No! What are we gonna do right now?
Get a nice gift for a customer after building their home. Get them a nice bottle of wine, maybe red. I think they're red wine drinkers.
That's very gentlemanly of you.
Yeah, thanks. Guess, right?
Alright, so we just pulled up to the house and we're going to do a quick drone flight, and then we're going to do some stuff with the A7 III, doing some B-roll and just walking to the property just to cover it. Miros is dropping off some wine back there and greeting the client, but I'm going to set up the drone now and calibrate it so we can get going. That's a wrap for the drone flight. It's time to head inside. Quick tip, when using the Ronin S, please, after you balance it, make sure you calibrate it in-app on your phone. All right, let's go. Now we're heading upstairs. We're gonna get the master bedroom because it's a beautiful bathroom, and just the bedroom itself is beautiful. And we'll see what else we can highlight. Let's go. And just like that, we just wrapped on the shoot. Super dope, beautiful home. But I'm really hungry, and it's somebody owes me a few sushi rolls.
A lot of sushi rolls.
I'm just kidding. All right, it's time to get lunch. So what do you think about that?
Miko?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. If you're ever on Long Island, Miko. Great Japanese food.
It's like they had this toro that was just melts in your mouth. Highly recommend. So just kind of bringing this video to a close. Had a cool shoot. We're gonna take that content. I'm gonna have it as an Instagram post, as well as living on the website. It's gonna be no more than 60 seconds long. Also going to potentially run ads against that on Facebook. I just wanted to leave you guys with a quick word from the man himself, Arist Construction.
How you doing, everybody? Just shot a small video in Plandome, New York. It was basically a complete new build. Tore out the foundation, the whole house that was existing, and just built it from the ground up. And you guys got to see the action of it all finished. And let me know what you guys think about it.
Yep, so as soon as that video is done, I'm probably going to post it with the vlog so you guys can see, or I might post it as a standalone, not sure yet. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. I'll catch you next time.